Sylhet flood. Recently, a very dangerous flood occurred in Sylhet. It is heard that this kind of flood happened after about 122 years in Bangladesh. Due to heavy rainfall in the Indian states of Assam and Arunachal Pradesh, the flood waters of Surma, Kushiara and other rivers overflowed, causing severe flooding in Greater Sylhet. The flooding left at least 60 people killed and 4 million stranded. Suitable agricultural lands in Sylhet district are submerged. Due to this floods, the teaching activities of 640 educational institutions in Sylhet have been disrupted. That's why the secondary school certificate exams to be held in the country had been cancelled. 70 unions are completely or partially flooded. There is a shortage of clean water, food, medicine, sanitary toilets. Power supply has been cut off because electricity supply office and transformers are flooded. No vehicles can be used without boat. According to the experts, the river navigability crisis and the construction of an unplanned dams in the lakes are responsible for the flood situation. Many people from different areas of our country, such as social media influencers, social workers, army, different NGOs, volunteers and many general people are working hand in hand. They are arranging foods, medicines, candles, drinking water, etc. People from whole country and abroad are sending funds for the affected people. So authorities should be more careful so that any other natural calamity do no harm like this further.